What's up, guys? This is an older Carryall 2. Not sure what year it is, but it wasn't running properly. It's got the Kawasaki engine in it. Give you a look at it, where the choke mechanism is. Carryall 2. It just would not run right. It would not idle right. It took forever to warm up. Would backfire a lot, it just would not act right. And so, go through the usual stuff, because if yours is very old, if it's been sitting for a long time with a lot of fuel in the tank and it's nasty and whatnot, sure, go through the usual stuff of fuel filter, fuel pump, carburetor. You can get aftermarket carburetors pretty much anywhere. But if none of that really solves it and makes it run properly, also make sure your exhaust is not completely plugged up with rust. If all of that is checked out and replaced and whatnot, is still not idling properly or running properly, just check the valves. 6/1000ths on intake and exhaust. Just adjust the valves on it, get your feeler gauge. There's tons of videos on how to do that. Just check the valve clearance, and that may fix it up. That's what solved this one. This thing has been sitting here for a long time. They've been struggling with it. Just could not get it to run right no matter what they replaced on it. And valve adjustment did the trick. So just, check videos on that and your owner's manual, service manual, whatnot. Anyway, we got tons of videos about golf carts, motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, Harley Davidsons, all kinds of cool stuff on our channel, so check it out. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click that thanks button. It's a donation button underneath the video screen, and please send us a donation, because YouTube is completely free, but videos that help you out are priceless. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.